Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use SUMX function in Power BI DAX. Super powerful function that lets you calculate totals row by row before adding them up. If you have already learned sum, this is the perfect next step. SUMX is a iterative function in DAX. Instead of just summing up a single column like a sum function, SUMX goes through each row of a table, applies a calculation each row, and then sum up the results. Let's say we have the sales table with quantity and unit price. If we want to total revenue, we can't just sum the total quantity and unit price directly. We first multiply them row by row, then sum the results. Look at this one. The formula would be total sales is equal to sum x of, here the table name will come, and quantity and unit price. So what's happening here? Sum x goes to the first row, multiplies quantity into unit price, and then moves to the next row and does the same. Adds everything together for the grand total. So that's how we can calculate total sales using the sum x. And here we can see the result. So what is the important tips that I can give here is make sure your expression returns a numeric value. Otherwise, SumX won't work. SumX can be slower than sum on large datasets, so use it only when needed. For big models, consider optimizing your DAX to keep reports fast. Okay, and that's how you use the SumX function in Power BI DAX. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more powerful Power BI tips. See you next time.